This is a homemade lure I make. It's called I call it a flutterfish.
Which is generally awesome.
Yeah, I'm thankful though, because yeah, like we hadn't caught anything for a little while. Well, you never know. It could be something different. It looks like a rainbow,
Yeah.
but decent.
It is. Flashing.
This is on that homemade lure.
Beautiful. Made in America.
It really is made in my backyard.
Come here. Get him up there.
There he is.
Nice. Love it.
I'll take it any day. All right, just caught a super nice rainbow. Really nice. I'm gonna let him go though. Yeah, he's about 2.5 pounds.